Starting in iOS 16, you can look up the password of the Wi-Fi network you're currently on, plus the passwords of Wi-Fi networks you've previously connected to on your iPhone. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi. And tap the Information button, which looks like the letter I, next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Then, tap the password. When viewing any Wi-Fi password, you'll need to use Face ID or Touch ID to unlock and reveal it. And you can then tap Copy to copy and share the password. To look up the passwords for Wi-Fi networks you've previously connected to, in Settings, tap Wi-Fi. And tap Edit in the upper right corner. Known Wi-Fi networks that require a password will have a lock next to them. Tap the Information button next to a Wi-Fi network and tap the password to show it. You can then tap Copy to copy and share the password. And that's how you can reveal your Wi-Fi passwords. To learn more about your iPhone, visit our Apple Support YouTube channel.